What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Lime moped. This is my first time riding it, so we both gonna be learning together. So the first thing I do when I rent a moped, I inspect it all around to see if there's any damages. I don't want to be liable for it. Then you go to the app. So to start your ride, you just got to scan this barcode right here. You hit just me, and then your bank information is gonna pop up. All right, you guys heard that noise. We hit this button underneath. This is the helmet. This is how it looks. It's large. And they have a small helmet. So there's two large people, then you're out of luck. Let's put this helmet on. Once you're done putting your helmet, close it. All right, to get on, first you balance the bike, put the kickstand up. To turn it on, activate the throttle, turn it off with this button right here. To turn it on, there's a start button right here.
Bruh. Okay.
Alright, yeah, so I was having an issue. I was wondering why the bike wasn't working. It's because you have to put your helmet on, and then once you're done putting your helmet on, you have to take a picture of you with the helmet on in order to unlock and turn on the bikes, the moped I mean. So in this case, to start the moped, you activate the throttle, you hit this green button right here, so you know you're ready. The ready button pops up, and then the throttle is right here to the right to accelerate, and then you lift your feet up and off we go. Hopefully this angle is not bad. So here we have the lights, we have the signal, turn signal over here, we have a horn. Go right. And then to the right, we have the throttle switch, the throttle, turn on, and the hazard lights. So when you're turning with the Lime, you gotta lean with it. Sounds confusing, but once you ride the bike, I feel like you'll get used to it. Oh, and I forgot, I already adjusted the mirrors. Always adjust the mirrors when you riding this thing. You always want to know what's around you. Right now I'm gonna test out the speed of the bike. Right now I'm going 25 miles per hour. When you make the turn, if I'm turning to the left, I'm leaning with the bike, with the moped. It's like a bike, the brakes right here. You could use, I would recommend to use both brakes to be safe, but don't press it too hard because you might fall forward. The momentum, if you're going fast with the momentum, you probably just fly. And then as we come to the stop sign, I'll show you how to stop properly. You hit the brakes, and then you come into a complete stop. You put your feet down like this, once you hit the throttle again, use the left of your feet. I'm gonna show you with this angle. So I hit the throttle, lift up my feet. If you've never ridden a moped, it's really not that hard. Just go slowly with the throttle right here. You don't want to accelerate as much all the way down because you're going to be flying. When you first get on, you slowly turn the throttle towards you. We have a Rebel next to us, in front of us. So if you come across one of this and you want to rent it out, they charge $1 to start, and then for every minute that you ride the Lime moped, they'll charge you 40 cents. So I think I did the math. For an hour, I'll be spending almost 20 or 30 bucks. You know, if this is mainly just for fun, I would ride this around all the time. It's not for everybody, that's for sure. But if you want to get around the city quick, I would highly recommend getting the Lime or the Rebel. As you can see, it's pretty fast. It's cool to ride around. Alright, we're gonna make a left here. Alright, so we come to a complete stop. The guy was nice enough to let us go. So if you guys can see over here, it shows the battery life of the moped. I think with this right here, you could change the speed and the mode, and then obviously how fast you're going. You could tell over here. This bike is pretty new, only got 22 miles on it. And if you ever need help and you need Lime customer service, we also have the number right here. So yeah, when you first get this bike, the first thing you got to do is put your helmet on and then take a selfie with the helmet. Once you take the selfie with the helmet, it will let you turn on the moped. If you don't take the selfie, you will be like me when I first got in the moped. Confused how you turn it on. I was pressing this button over here, and that wasn't working at all either. See, like I was saying, when you make turns, you lean with your turns, but you also, you know, you move your hands as well. So if you're turning left, you use the throttle, or you use the throttle hand, you just turn slightly to the left and lean your body towards where you're going. So in this instant, I'm gonna make a right. It's kind of confusing telling you than doing it. It's probably easier just doing it, but trust me, it's not as hard as you think. Obviously, do everything, if it's the first time doing it, do everything slowly. Alright, so I'm gonna come to an end of this video. I just want to show you guys how to ride this thing and pretty much show you how to move it. fast it goes. It's pretty cool. It's a cool scooter. And you could maneuver your way around the city. Right now, these mopeds are around Queens and Brooklyn. They're new to the city, so you might see more and more as the months goes by. Lime is Rebel's competition, so hopefully they compete to where one is cheaper than the other, and you have options to choose. The cheaper one, obviously, because obviously 40 cents per minute is a lot. But yeah, once we get down there, I'm gonna show you how to park it. So I'll park it right here. So to park this thing, it's a little hard, but I'll show you right now. You're gonna deactivate the throttle. That way you don't go flying forward. And then you go in reverse. Hold on to the brakes as you go back. And there you go. Now put the kickstand down, and you officially parked the Lime scooter. So don't forget to take off your helmet and put it in the back. And once you're done, just go on the app and I'll tell you what to do. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a good one. Peace.